download games on Xbox app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download games on Xbox app. So first of all, just open your Xbox account, and after that just log into your account, and once you're logged in the home page itself, you will see the popular on Xbox games. Like you can see the Fortnite, Call of Duty, Roblox, Minecraft and other popular games, and you will also see the recommended for Game Pass. But if you're looking for more games, you can just simply click on the search icon from the middle of the screen, and from there just click on the games section, and after that on the search bar just search for the type of game that you want to download. Just search for the game and click on the one that you would want to download. For example, I want to download Red Dead Redemption 2, so just tap on it. And here on the next page, you will see the option called download to console. So just simply tap on it. And here it says turn on remote feature, which means when your remote features are turned on, your phone can communicate with your console anytime you want. And you can install the game remotely on your console, and you can start playing in your console anytime that you would want to. And then just simply go ahead and turn on your console, and once you are done, just click on next, and then this game will be downloaded in your Xbox app. So that's how you will be able to download your games on your Xbox app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.